guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful amigurumi crochet pattern and colorful yarn ideas. Crochet cake. Creating a crochet cake invaluable using yarn and a crochet hook to stitch a cake-like design. You can find various crochet patterns for cakes online to guide you through the process. And crochet cake pattern, for a simple crochet cake pattern you can try this. And material, words, weight, yarn, and cake colors, and brown for chocolate, pink for strawberry. Different and beautiful ideas. And cake base, start with a magic ring, chain 1 and work 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. So I hope you like it, guys. Please